Prepare to step into a world of wagging tails, gentle moos, and cheerful clucks. This interactive adventure is designed for curious young explorers to meet, learn about, and play with a whole host of adorable animals. From the soft purr of a kitten in the cozy living room to the enthusiastic bark of a puppy in the backyard, children will discover the unique personalities, sounds, and needs of our favorite furry, feathery, and scaly companions. Get ready to giggle, learn, and become a best friend to pets from all around the home. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150-250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Wildebeests are herbivores, eating mostly grasses. Blue wildebeests can weigh up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Wildebeests are social animals, often found in huge herds. Wildebeests are famous for their great migration. Over 1.5 million wildebeests, along with zebras and gazelles, travel between Tanzania and Kenya. Moose are the largest of all deer species, with adult males, bulls, standing 5 to 7 feet, 1.5 to 2.1 meters at the shoulder and weighing up to 1,600 pounds, 725 kilograms. Moose live in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, especially Canada. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining, body language, and facial expressions. Wolves are the ancestors of domestic dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, diverging around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Wolves form lifelong family bonds and care deeply for each other, sharing food and caring for the young and sick. Wolves howl to communicate across distances. It's used for coordination, territory marking, and bonding. Each wolf's howl is unique. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Bulls are important in livestock breeding for meat or dairy production. Geese belong to the Anatidae family, which includes ducks and swans. The most common are Canada geese, snow geese, and grey-leg geese. Geese are found across North America, Europe, and Asia, often near lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Geese mainly eat grass, grains, and aquatic plants. They may also eat insects or small invertebrates occasionally. Frogs live a double life, the meaning of amphibian, starting as aquatic tadpoles with gills before transforming into air-breathing adults. Frogs use their bulging eyes to swallow food. They retract them to push meals down their throats. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles and belong to the same order as crocodiles, but they are different animals. Alligators eat fish, birds, turtles, mammals, and even carrion, dead animals. They wait quietly in water and lunge at prey with powerful jaws. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. Driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Snakes have no legs but can move quickly and quietly using their muscles and scales. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Snakes flick their tongues to taste the air and pick up scent particles, which helps them find prey. Cows have a unique four-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years, and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk shortly after birth. Elephants spray mud on themselves to protect their skin from sun and bugs. Bison can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, jump over fences, and spin quickly to avoid predators. Bison roll in dust or mud to cool off, deter insects, and shed fur. These wallow pits can be seen in open prairies. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America. Adult males can weigh up to 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms, and females can weigh around 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years. Used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads. Camels' gestation period is about 13 to 14 months, usually giving birth to one calf. Their mouths can handle prickly plants that would hurt most animals. Rams have symbolized power, protection, and masculinity in many ancient cultures, including Egyptian and Greek mythology. Rams graze on grasses, shrubs, and herbs, and wild species will also browse on lichens and mosses in mountainous areas. Rams ram heads at speeds of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, in epic battles for dominance and mating rights during the rutting season, fall. Rams have symbolized power, protection, and masculinity in many ancient cultures, including Egyptian and Greek mythology. From the soft purr of a kitten in the cozy living room to the enthusiastic bark of a puppy in the backyard, children will discover the unique personalities, sounds, and needs of our favorite furry, feathery, and scaly companions. Get ready to giggle, learn, and become a best friend to pets from all around the home. But the adventure doesn't stop at the garden gate. Journey with us to the sunny fields of a bustling farm, where a new group of friendly giants awaits.